Mortgage rate update with me, Mortgage Mo. Rates went back up above a 7%. Right now, conventional is at a 7.05 and FHA, you're looking at a 6.46. Rates are expected to still get a little bit worse. Mortgage rates have increased because the 10-year treasury increased, which means the Fed is likely not going to be as bullish about cutting interest rates as they've been talking about. Inflation isn't doing great. According to yesterday's report, manufacturing is getting more expensive. We're in a weird time. Gold and the stock market are now simultaneously high. That's usually not the way that works. Subscribe for more news and I appreciate your view. I'm Mortgage Mo and I'm here for you.